What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be installing a Starlight headliner on a 2016 Ram 1500. Huge shout out to Akepo for sending me a Starlight kit to test and review. And in this video, guys, we're going to test it out, we're going to review it, and we're going to rate it 1 through 10. With that being said, guys, let's get into this video. Stay tuned, let's get it. Alrighty, guys, so here is all the pieces that I painted, and I did wrap those suede, and I painted all the trim black. Everything we're doing in the truck is going to be black. Here's the box Akepo sent me. Here's the Starlight headliner with the black suede. It looks beautiful, and we're gonna go ahead and install it. Alrighty, guys, so we already took off the headliner. This video, we're not going to show how to remove it. It's pretty much, I'll kind of go over a little bit to help you guys out if you are trying to do this on your truck. But anyways, we have sections right here. We got the screws from the front, the screws in the middle, which is those sections like in the pillars, the middle pillars. And then we got the back ones right here. Okay, guys, anyways, so we have our screws right here all ready to go, so that way we didn't lose them. And then here is our fuse that we're going to tap into to get power. And we're going to tap into one of these power fuse. Oh, never mind. I guess there's not a fuse box on this side. So I guess we'll have to figure out another power source. I don't know. We'll figure that out later. But we're going to install the headliner onto the in the truck. We have the seats down right now. And we're going to try to slide it in without bending it too much, because that's what she said. So here's the headliner. We're about to try to fish her in.
Yes,
you think it'll fit? Yeah, it's a lot better than the original, right? I'll show a clip of the original right now, and we'll do it before and after too, guys. So as you could tell, we got it in. All we gotta do now is connect all the connections and start clipping all the clips in and screws in and all that stuff. Yeah, let's get it. All right, so we got the headliner in. I'm gonna fish the wire right here. This goes to the brake light and all the lights in the dash and the center console lights and all that stuff. So yeah, this is the wire. So it connects right here. Connected it right there on the side. That's for your console, center console, and all that, those lights. And then we got to connect the back ones. Here's the connector. It's behind this pillar. Here's the headliner connector, and then we're gonna do that on each side. And then we're gonna connect the middle one to the third brake light. All right, so we got them clipped in. One, and we got the middle one and the last one over here. So all three are clipped into the back. And then I got the motor right here. I just snipped it. These are the wires we're gonna use to power it. And there's a remote, put it to the side. And we're trying to figure out exactly where we could put this strain at. All right, so we're gonna try to put it right here. It fits right here in this pillar. So see if it works. Yeah, we're gonna put these front pillars in now. All they do is just put the base in and push it in, bro. That's all it is. So we put the A-pillars in, the front, the middle, and the rears. And then everything looks mostly clean, like there's not too much scratches on it. But we are gonna go over it again if we see any scratches. The headliner looks good. At night it should look better. I'll probably get a clip of that right now soon. It's got different modes. Motor on for the twinkle effect. Music option for music. And then the speed of the motor is right here. and then breathe, flash, fade. But I think the motor on is the best one. It's like a twinkle effect one. But anyways, came out pretty good. Hey, out of a 10, what do you rate it, bro? Like, what do you think?
Honestly, bro, it sucks. They're badass, bro. I give it a good.
Like, how does it make the truck feel better? Like when you're driving it at night with your wife or...
Yeah, bro, my daughter loves you, bro. It's a good distraction.
Yeah.
Nah, they're badass. I give it a solid 9, bro.
Solid 9. Solid 9.
I take 1 point out because it was a process, my boy. God damn.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're good, though. They're badass.
Yeah. It came out good. We're gonna make it look a lot better. Still, we gotta do a couple touch-ups and stuff. But overall, came out pretty good. All right, guys. So I'm in the truck right now. As you guys can tell, the Starlight kit is done. It's finished. We ended up plugging the power source right here into his cigarette lighter underneath his center console. I'm gonna be making a separate video on how to do a headliner, so stay tuned for that video. This was just installing it on this Ram and the outcome of it, and he rated it. But shout out to Akepo for sending me the kit. Also, don't forget to hit the link in the description so you guys can save money on LEDs. There's a bunch of products that I have. Check out the products, go buy it, save you some money. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It does help out the channel a lot. It keeps me motivated to keep doing these videos and keep dropping them for you guys. So make sure to hit that link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.